How to fix an Android phone not receiving calls. So if you want to fix an Android phone not receiving calls, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. And under apps, you need to go with see all apps and go with search, which is on the upper side, and search for call app. Or you may have phone. Just go with phone or call app and tap on storage and cache and clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to check your SIM card. If your Android device SIM card is not installed correctly, you might not be able to make or receive calls on it. You can remove the SIM card and make sure it is inserted as promoted over the SIM trick by the device manufacturer. Or you can simply take out and reinsert the SIM card to see whether you can make the phone calls or not. And the next thing you need to do is you need to activate your SIM card, because if you've not activated, then it will not work. So go with your settings and go with network and internet and tap on SIM card or your SIM and go with enable SIM card, which is on the upper right, and make sure that it is enabled. Or if it is not working, then you can simply toggle it off and then again toggle it on and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then what you need to do is just restart your phone. So press and hold on to that power button and go with restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix an Android phone not receiving calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.